श्री रूप गोस्वामी की जय। स्तवमाला की जय। नील स्कंदोज्ज्वल रुचि भरे मंडिते बाहुदन्ते छत्र छाया लब्धा सप्ताहवास धारापातक्लपित मनासं रक्षित गोकुलानां कृष्ण प्रियान् प्रचयतु सदा शर्मा गोवर्धनो न भीतो यस्मात् अप्रिगणयन् बान्धवस्तेह बन्धा सिन्धावदृष्ट्वा रेतम् अविशत् पार्वती पूर्वजोऽपि यस्तं जम्भाद्विषम् अकुरुतस्तम्भ सम्भेदशून्यम् सप्रोधात्मा प्रथयतु सदा शर्मगोवर्धनो न आविष्कृत्य प्रकट मुकुटाटोपम् अङ्गं स्थावया शैलोस्मिति स्फुटमभिदद तुष्टिविस्फारदृष्टि यस्मै कृष्ण स्वयं वरसय बलवैदतमनम् धन्यसोऽयं पठयतु सदा शर्मगोवर्धनो न अद्याप्युर्ज प्रतिपदिमः भ्राजते यस्य यज्ञ कृष्णोपजं जगति सुरभि शैरीभिक्रीडया शष्पालं भूतमततया यकुतुम्बं पशूनां सोऽयं भूय प्रथयतु सदा शर्मा गोवर्धनो न श्रीगान्धर्वा दयितसरसि पद्मसौरभ्यरत्नम् हित्वा शङ्कोदकारपर वाषयस्वनं संचरति अम्भक्षोद परिहारिक कुलेन वातैर्जुष्टा प्रथयतु सदा क्षयमगो वर्धनो न संसारातेस्तरिविलसिते आतरानङ्गरङ्गे अभिरीणां प्रयाणायामभीता पात्रं उन्मीलयन्त्या दौतग्रावावलि अमालिने मानसामर्थ्य सिन्धो विचिराते प्रथयतु सदा जयमगो वर्धनो न यस्याध्यक्ष सकलतीर्णा आददिच्चक्रवर्ती शुक्लं नान्यत् व्रजमृगदृशा अर्पणाद् विग्रहस्य घटस्योचे मधुकररुच तस्य धाम प्रपञ्चे श्यामा प्रदायतु सदा शर्मा गोवर्धनो न गान्धारवया सुरतकलहो दामाता वधूभे क्लान्तश्रोत्रो फलवलयिनी क्षिप्तपिञ्चावतांशे कुञ्जैस्तनपोपरि परिलुत वैजयन्ती परिते पुण्याङ्गश्री प्रथयतु सदा शर्मा गोवर्धनो न यस्तुष्टात्मा स्फुटं मनुपथे श्रद्धया शुद्धयान्तर् मेध्यपद्याष्टकं पचातुल सुष्ठु गोवर्धनस्य सान्द्रं गोवर्धन धरापदा द्वन्द्वशोणारविन्दम् विन्दन् प्रेमोत्तरम् इहा करोति अद्रिराजे सवासम्। श्री रूप गोस्वामी की जय, श्री प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री गुरु महाराज की जय।
Wow,
हरे
nice.
कृष्ण।
Well done. Fantastic effort, Karuna. And You adapt so fast. So thank you very much. Amazing. Completely different tune as well. So very good.
The tune we have done it's Radha Mukunda Pada Sambhava Karma Bindu Lalit Ashtakam, but
Oh,
I just changed little bit because the words are not
yes.
as long as the words are longer in each line, so has
Yeah.
to be changed. Yeah.
Yeah. Well done. Amazing adjustment. Thank you. Yes, Rianch, over to you.
Translation 1. May Govardhana Hill, which for 7 days became an umbrella shading Lord Krishna's arm, decorated with the luster of his dark shoulder, and which is protected the Gokula, their hearts wilting because of the torrential rains, always delight us all. 2. When Indra frightened him, Parvati's elder brother, Mount Mainaka, remembering the strength of family ties, hurriedly took shelter of the ocean. Powerful Govardhana Hill, however, was able to easily remove Indra's stubborn pride. I pray Govardhana Hill may always delight us all. 3. Lord Krishna manifested as a mountain-like form, clearly proclaimed, I am the great mountain, and his eyes wide with pleasure at the feast the cowherd men had offered to Govardhan Hill. May auspicious Govardhan Hill always delight us. 4. The great worship Lord Krishna created for Govardhan Hill at the beginning of the Kartika is splendidly manifested even today. Govardhana Hill is wealthy with the pastimes of Surabhi cows and buffaloes, and it nourishes them with its excellent grass. I pray that Govardhan Hill may always delight us all. 5. Stealing the precious jewel of fragrance of the lotuses growing in Radha's favorite lake, the frightened breezes blowing on Gordon Hill silently flee, although they are pursued by drops of water who are watchmen guarding the lake. I pray that Govardhan Hill may always delight us all. 6. The celestial Manasa Ganga river, which with the Lord's Danakeli and boating pastimes, reveals the gopis' pure love for Lord Krishna, washes the stones of Govardhan Hill with its pure waves. I pray that Govardhan Hill may always delight us all. 7. The toll station on Govardhan Hill is dark with the splendor of many black bees. The all-powerful king who guards that toll station did not take any butter from the doe-eyed girls of Raja when they resisted him. I pray that Govardhan Hill may always delight us all. 8. Govardhana Hill is very beautiful, with Srimati Radharani's arrogant words in the lover's quarrel, and the forest grows filled with wilted lotus earrings, rejected peacock feather crowns, and Vaijayanti garlands on beds. I pray that Govardhan Hill may always delight us all. 9. May a person who with faith, attention, and a pure and cheerful heart reads these 8 verses, glorifying Gordon Hill, reside by the King of Mountains, and find their intense, pure love for the red lotus feet of the lifter of Gordon Hill. Thank you, pleasure.
Wonderful. Thank you. Wow, what a bhajan. And glorifying Govardhan. Govardhan, there's so much Leela pastimes that have taken place there. And it's such a extraordinary holy place. And Rupa Goswami has written this incredible bhajan. And there's so much new information in here which I've never heard, like this number 2. Indra frightened the elder brother of Parvati, who and her mother and father are mountains. So the brother is a mountain, Mount Mainaka, and he hid in the ocean. But then powerful Govardhan Hill was able to easily remove Indra's stubborn pride. This is an amazing revelation here. There's so many wonderful pastimes and different aspects of Govardhan. We got to try to do this bhajan a few times to really, and so many times actually, to get a little bit more insight into Govardhan. Karuna, anything you'd like to share?
Yeah, I was also very much surprised with so many pastimes around
Mm.
Govardhan Hill. So the most common one is Lord Krishna lifting Govardhan Hill. But here, it's so
Mm.
many pastimes are being described. Yeah, really wonderful.
Because it's a huge place. So Krishna and Balaram and the gopis, they were always around there. And if we walk around, go, there's so many areas. It's different pastimes that have taken place. But here, Rupa Goswami gives a lot more information, which is so good. Yeah,
Mm.
thank you.
I'm going to note it down in my list of bhajan.
Yes, regular bhajan list. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, well done. Amazing. Thank you so much. Phew, would never have come across this button if we hadn't been going through all of Rupa Goswami's different buttons. So well done to you. Huh? Amazing.
Thank you, Prabhuji, for going through all these
Or you
and
doing
giving
hard work.
this opportunity to sing all these. It's really wonderful.
You're doing all the hard work. Thank you. Thank you so much.
You the one who is singing,
Yeah.
Queen, singing Queen. Really nice. I
Mataji,
mean,
I'm
Mataji,
just a servant. No, nothing more.
Mataji, we are all sitting and hearing you, but you got that voice and you
Yeah.
can really sing so well.
Mm.
So it's very good. God has given you a gift.
Yeah.
Mercy of Guru Maharaj.
I went to a school today and no, I got a phone call in the school and the ladies, she doesn't contact me much, but she said, "Oh, I often listen to your YouTube videos, especially Karuna's singing."
Oh,
Yeah, you're getting famous.
yeah. See, it's somebody also hearing, people you don't know, but
Yeah,
they are hearing your voice, which is very good.
yeah, that was amazing.
Yeah.
Her name is Bharti, so that was amazing to hear that. Neela's,
I'm just sharing something.
yes,
One of my students were telling me that there is an elder student in the school that he does TikTok and YouTube. He has a YouTube channel. So they were telling me, "Ma'am, you don't have any YouTube channel." So I say, "No, I do sing. I do have, but
yes.
it's another name. You won't know me from that name." So
Oh,
they were all surprised and say, I regularly sing. Practically every day I sing.
Correct.
Yeah.
You can
but
send them the address of that. I'll send it to you, and they can have a look. They won't recognize your name, of course.
Yeah,
you,
they won't
so
recognize.
Karuna Mataji, you haven't got your own YouTube channel. Is that what you say?
No, I
Okay.
don't have.
Okay.
This
Now
is,
it's fine. This is also
this is
really good.
hers. Yeah, this is hers.
This is us.
Yeah,
Yeah.
this is
Why
the
not?
best.
Why not? When we all can listen you. Hare Krishna Prabhuji and all the devotees.
Krishna.
Thank you. Neela Skando Jwala Ruchi Bahair, and this is official name, volume 6, Dvitiya Govardhan Astakam. Very interesting. Yeah. By Rupa Goswami in Istavamala. Rupa Goswami ki jai, Govardhan
Mm.
jai, Shri Krishna Chandra Bhagavan.